Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve not working on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve not working on Telegram app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop. You will go to the window or to the app of Telegram in the first. Then you can go to first stop and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.